and again go on a honeymoon planning.
Once in a lifetime. That's my wish, you know. But he said in 2027, I'll be married. It will be my 50th anniversary. It's my challenge. I learn within a month or within a year, but I have to. The time fluctuates in the life, no? Time is not the same always.
Yes,
So
that time forces me to do something for me and for my family too. Because at that time, my father-in-law, he also borrowed money. He borrowed money from others around 4 and 5 lakhs.
Okay.
Yeah, because my father-in-law, he's normal, just like farmer. And my husband, he used to earn only 250 and 300 rupees
Okay.
for a day. Yeah, so our condition was not up to the mark. So that's why he also कहते हैं ना जेवर गहने रखे, then खेत के उस तरह से पैसे लेके इलाज करवाया. That's why it's our turn to help to do all the things, to take responsibility of my family.
So have you ever been to Lucknow? Come here once, anytime. You can come here. Most welcome.
Yeah, I'll come in future, but right now I have no idea. I have no plans.
See, you won't wear, besides sari, you don't wear any dresses?
No.
Okay.
Here we are not allowed to wear any kind of other dresses.
Right. See, whenever I go to Kundana, I have to wear sari because that's the village. And everyone knows that this Bahu is coming and I'm labeled as a Bahu over there. Na? So I have to wear a sari. So whenever I'll wear a sari in my flat, everybody will ask, you're going to Sasral? I'll say yes.
And the most difficult thing, to put that pallu on your head.
That also, we have to cover there. We have to cover there. We can't go without covering our pallu.
And if we dare to do this, then people, they are also going to say like that. Doesn't he have any kind of manners? How to live?
See, I'm married for so many years and still I don't dare to put suit and go to the village. I'll have to wear a sari at any cost, you know. I'm married for so long. In 2027, I'll be married. It will be my 50th anniversary.
2027?
Yes.
Oh my God. You are really very lucky.
Okay.
No, because nowadays, hardly people, they live their life around 50 years. But you are going to celebrate your 15th anniversary. It's really very big.
Yeah. Very big achievement, yes.
And I hope you will live this kind of life and you will celebrate your 100th anniversary too.
Oh, that's not possible. That's not possible. But,
why not? You know, in this world, anything is possible. If we have that faith system, that belief system on God, then anything is possible.
Yeah, that's good. Yes.
Even 2 years earlier, I used to think that I'm useless person. Why I am living on this earth if I couldn't help my husband? But then I made my mind that I have to do something for my husband, and I kept working on it, and that's why I'm here. Just because of I was having that mindset.
That's so good of you. Yeah, very nice of you. Yes.
Yeah.
So when we make up our mind that we have to do such and such thing, then we can. Of course, we can do anything.
Yes.
So driving now. Once my husband said, "You can never learn driving." While we were in Ambala, so I told him, it's my challenge. I learn within a month or within a year, but I have to learn this driving. So I called up a driver and told him to come tomorrow. Bhaiya, kal se aana and mujhe seekhna hai tumse gaadi. My husband said it's a waste of money and waste of time. You won't be able to learn. So though the driver said, you know, madam, आपने बड़ा टाइम लगा दिया सीखने में. तो मैंने बोला, it's my age भी तो है मेरी. before 7 or 8 years, I started learning. But still, sometimes I feel my husband didn't allow me to drive on the roads. But still, I'm very capable of driving. But my husband doesn't allow me. So it's a bad part of him, no? So husband should allow what the wife wants to do.
I think, I don't know, but it's always husband does like this. Yeah, it's okay because he also cares for you.
But
That's
no, he says you'll bang somewhere, you'll come with an accident, and what will happen if you bang the car and you lying on the road and that on. He first of all, he'll feel me scared. He'll give me so scary conversation. No, my God,
he
डरा
makes
देते हैं.
you feel scared. He makes you
Oh,
feel scared.
not that.
Yeah.
So I mean to say, whatever a woman likes to do, yeah, what is her passion, she must follow it.
Yes, there is
Yeah.
no shame to follow our dreams in order to chase our dreams.
And
It's
after that, my
passion.
first passion now is to only get fluent in this language. So I want to connect with you and even some more, because you can't give me time every day. So one time to you and one time Mansi, and I'll talk to some other also. So I want to connect every day with someone other, so
I
that I get fluent.
no age limit. There is no age limit to start learning any kind of skill, to do any kind of thing. We always
Even
make our mind like this.
even I don't feel ashamed, to learn at this age.
Yes.
You
And
know,
what is your husband's uh, expression and husband's
about what? About
about your learning?
no, it's okay. He said it's good. You can pass your time on this, and it's yeah. He allows me to converse with you on this net, on this platform. Yes, he
Oh,
doesn't.
he also talks to you.
Yeah, but not in English. He knows good English.
I
He
think
knows, but it won't be enough. Sorry.
he's supposed to speak with you in
Yeah,
English.
yeah. Okay. This support he gives me, but he himself won't talk to me in English. Only in Hindi. He likes Hindi only.
Yeah, it's okay. So yeah, ma'am, tell me, अभी तक आपके अंदर ऐसी कौन सी इच्छाएं रह गई हैं जो आप अपने लास्ट समय से पहले पूरा करना चाहते हो?
I want to go abroad only at least once in a lifetime. That's my wish. But he says, but my husband says, what's the need of going anywhere? India is so beautiful. Many places are there to go in India only. What do you want to see? It's no need of going abroad. You can, I'll take you in India only. Where do you want to go? Come on, tell me, he'll say.
After celebrating your 15th anniversary, you can ask to your husband, let's go and again go on a honeymoon planning.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Actually, spending quality time with your husband, with a partner, it really means a lot. And if
Yes.
you get a chance after a very long time, then you can really enjoy that time with your husband.
Yes, of course. Today I'll tell him that Yashoda Madam has said this.
Yeah. Because after getting child or after getting older, really, it's hardly we get time to spend lovely time with a partner. You can
Yeah.
imagine, you can feel, you can experience this kind of things.
Yeah, but it's a different thing. While we were in a joint family staying in Kanpur, so I always wanted to spend time with my husband, but he was posted outside, somewhere to Hamidpur and some to Punjab and to Bihar also he was posted, and sometimes he was transferred to MP. So I didn't get time to talk to him. So when he would come after 15 days or after 1 month, I had so much to talk to him. I thought कि कुछ और काम ना करूं, बस इन्हीं से बात करती रहूं. But now it's different. There's a plenty of time, but nothing to talk.
Because right now you are living with her.
There's nothing to talk about. Na? We'll talk about children or we'll talk about something or the other, but you know, fight starts. हम दोनों इतना argue करेंगे, then I'll go to my room and he'll go to his room.
Still you're fighting.
Yeah. खाना नहीं पचेगा ना जब तक लड़ेंगे नहीं.
Yeah. I think I was thinking that I'm the only one who fights with her husband a lot, but I think you also fight with your husband.
Yeah, of course, why not? Now there's plenty of time to fight also.
Yes. But I think we fight only with those people to whom we really love.
Of course, we can't fight with our daughter-in-laws or children also, not to neighbors and not to anybody else. We can fight only with our husband.
Because we know that they can understand, and after some time, then they will try to make us happy as well by doing some kind of things, by giving us treats, even sometimes by giving us any kind of gift.
Yes.
So what kind of thing means your husband, he chooses for you to make you happy?
Nothing special to make me happy. Yes, he will say, come on, what you have cut for, what vegetable you have cut today. So someone tell him I have cut bagan or kaddu, whatever I have cut now. So he says, you go from the kitchen, now I'm making this. So to make me happy, sometimes he comes in the kitchen and he makes so tasty, delicious sabji, you know.
He's a good chef.
No, only sabji he likes to make. So as he was posted outside, to many places he was transferred, but I didn't go with him to anywhere. So I stayed with my in-laws, my Devrani, my children. Then when my children passed 12th, then only I went with him to any place. I sacrificed so much only for my children to study in the same school. Since primary to 12th, they were in the same school in Kanpur. So I thought if I'll go to different states, my children will suffer a lot. So I didn't go anywhere. I made them study in the same school.